Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to share my Prime account with family. First, sign in to your Amazon account on a computer or mobile browser. Now, go to Accounts and Lists and select Account. Under Shopping Programs and Rentals, click Amazon Household. Here, select Add an adult to your Amazon household. Enter the second adult's email address and agree to share payment methods. After that, send the invitation to the family member you want to add. The invited adult must accept the invitation and sign in with their Amazon account. Once accepted, both accounts will share Prime benefits like free shipping and Prime Video. Lastly, manage or remove family members anytime through the Amazon household settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.